Hey fam, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be unboxing my Allure Beauty box for July 2020. So if you are interested in finding out what little goodies Allure sent this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Okay, so let's pop on in and see what we got. So of course we have our Allure magazine that tells us all about the products, gives us pricing and some descriptions on how the product should be used or why the beauty editor chose that product to put in the box this month. And this is the inside of our box. For $15, I am so super excited about the contents of my box this month, so let's go ahead and check them out. The first product I see I am the most excited about. This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Oh, this product is $39. Again, a $15 subscription box with 5 products. Some full size, some deluxe size. This is a product I believe might have been in a previous BoxyCharm box. People were going wild for this. I've heard so many good things about this product. I am so excited. I've never gotten to try anything from Peach and Lily before. And this glass skin serum is such a popular product. I'm thrilled to get this in my box this month. The next product I see is one that we've actually received another product from this company. This is the CICAPAIR Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream by Dr. JART. And I know we got a little potted version of this product, I believe, before. This is more of a deluxe size that'll allow you to try it a few times, see if you like it before you buy it. Full size, this product retails for $48. And this serum is supposed to help calm your skin if you're dealing with oily or dry patches, redness, conditions like that. It's supposed to help really just nourish your skin if your skin is stressed out or if you're just stressed out and it's coming out on your skin. This product is supposed to help deal with all of those issues. So definitely excited to give this a try. The next product I see is from OSEA? It's the Ocean Cleanser, Mineralize and Balance. This is a 0.6 fluid ounce size or 18 milliliters. And this product is said to be a cleanser that is really great to hydrate your skin, but also to balance. So if you're dealing with like an oily T-zone and dry rest of your face, oh, it's raining. It's supposed to kind of neutralize everything and help balance your skin, but also cleanse your skin. I am always so thrilled to get cleansers in subscription boxes. Reason being, I go through cleansers probably the fastest out of all of my beauty products, that and conditioner. So always thrilled to get a product like this, especially one that seems so perfect for my skin. I absolutely have dry skin, but I do sometimes get a little oily in my T-zone in the warmer summer months or spring months, which is perfect for this time of year. So I'm thrilled to have received this product. The full size is 5 ounces and it retails for $48. We got another full-size product in our box. This is from Beautinique and it's the Beautinique Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. So this is a product that you can use as a cream blush or a cream lip product. I am so into cream products this time of year. I think they're so much fun to play with. I recently did a video where I tried underpainting. If you guys caught my Flower Beauty Shop My Stash Scavenger Hunt review roundup, I talked about underpainting in that video. So getting this cute little cream blush / lip product is so exciting. The formula does feel a little stiff, but it is very creamy. The color is really beautiful. It actually is giving me like Tower 28 vibes. And that is our color. It's like a really pretty melony peach color. It's got a lot of glow, it would appear. It almost looks like a blush and highlighter. It's so beautiful. I'm really excited for this product. Like a really light summery makeup day. Could be really fun. And we still have 2 exciting products to go. The first is this acne cover patch. There are 8 little acne patches in here, which I think is great. I don't get acne too often, but when I do, it'll be great to have one of these little patches to kind of pop on it. I tend to definitely want to dig at my skin, so hopefully this will help me to just leave any little breakouts alone and let these little pads do their magic. And our last product is also music to my ears. The box this month really knocked it out of the park as far as I'm concerned. We didn't get very much makeup, but I like the makeup we got and I love the skincare we got. The last being this charcoal pore mask. Now, if y'all are new to my channel, I struggle with pores. I have larger pores. It's hereditary. My grandmother had larger pores too. I definitely try to do my best to keep my pores clean, and using a mask like this sounds fantastic. This is just a sheet mask. It's by Lapkos and it looks to be a Korean beauty product. I am so excited to give this a try. So overall, I was super excited with the box this month. I am so excited for that Lip and Cheek product. I'm so excited for the Peach and Lily serum. I'm happy to get a cleanser, acne patches, charcoal misks. I feel like everything I got this month speaks to a concern I really have for skincare and my preferences for makeup right now. So I was very, very excited for the box this month. I think it's a fantastic value for $15. I don't think you can beat it. And I love that these are not products that are maybe not very popular, or, you know, which I find sometimes we're seeing in subscription boxes as products that have kind of like had their time in the limelight. Now they're kind of on their way to TJ Maxx, and whoop, there they are in our subscription boxes. With Allure Beauty Box, the products are chosen based on their effectiveness. They're based on their recommendations and not based on whether or not they're an affordable product to be able to give a bulk amount of products for a low cost. So I'm very, very thrilled with the service. I've really enjoyed it. I love how many new brands and products Allure has introduced me to. I just really enjoy it. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments down below. I love you all so much, and until the next video.